Hello fragrance friends, this is Mac from Fragrance Talk PH, and today we're going to be doing another review of a new Middle Eastern fragrance which is named Nexa Immortal, which they're saying is a clone of Parfums de Marly Greenlee. So, first of all, saan ko muna nabili ito? This actually came from KNR, so shout out to KNR Scent Station, kila Madam Karen. Thank you so much for giving me an opportunity to get this ng maagang-maaga pa. So, simulan na natin. Unang-una, the box. Kamusta yung box? So, hinihila siya ng paganyan. Made of very solid na box material. That's colored blue na chameleon. Pero syempre, it's not about the box. It's about the content. Pero natuwa lang ako kasi ang ganda ng kulay. Tsaka, ayan, kakaiba yung ano niya. Kakaiba opening niya. So, here's the box na medyo chameleon yung color. And maganda rin yung ano niya, very, very stylish. Kamusta? Very fit and very snug. Hindi masyadong mabigat yung takip. Pero hindi rin siya magaan. Pagbukas ko pa lang, amoy ko na. Yan. So, wag niyong gagawin to, syempre, yung binibit-bit yung pabango using the cap. Pero very, very snug yung cap. Yan. Do I like it? Yeah. Colored silver. And then, here's the bottle. Makapal yung bote niya. Medyo kakaiba siya. Very, very classy. So, nag-prepare na rin ako dito ng ito, ng tester strip. Let's test it out. Yan. So, tinest ko na actually siya. So, binattery test ko na automatically ito para malaman natin automatically. Malaman na natin agad. Kamusta ba to? So, sprayer, okay. Okay. So, opening niya. Ang opening niya is consisting of, alam mo, very, very familiar yung scent niya. You could smell the fruity bergamot blackcurrant accord na very, very fresh. Hindi ko nga maalala, but this is a very comforting scent for me. Ngayon, pagka nag-dry na siya sa papel, and medyo may electric fan ako ng konti, para medyo mabilis mag-dry. Maaamoy mo na meron siya, yung fruity, tapos pero siyang, may white florals siya. So, so meron siyang konting tamis, pero hindi siya yung tamis. So, maamoy mo dito, meron siyang konting vanilla eh. Tingnan natin ng konti. Medyo nagbabago siya. Hindi siya sobrang linear, pero hindi rin siya sobrang nagbabago. If you would ask me kung malapit ba siya sa Greenlee, I would say pwede, pero don't expect 1:1. Is this good enough to stand on its own? Yes. It's a very fresh fragrance that can stand on its own. So, kamusta yung performance? Saan natin pwedeng gamitin na yung pabango na to? So, performance-wise, sinesting ko siya. Lumabas kasi ako. So, nagpa-project naman siya ng mga 1.5 hours, which is average. And then, nagtagal naman siya sa skin ko ng mga going around average of 4 to 6 hours. And then, sa damit ko, andyan siya. Andyan pa rin siya hanggang sa mahubad ko. Then, it sits on the skin after the 4-hour mark. Mas malapit. Hindi siya sobrang projecting. Which you can expect with most fragrances naman na fresh. Ang kinagandahan sa kanya is hindi siya cloying. So nakita nyo 3 beses ako nag-spray. Malakas ang loob ko na 3 beses mag-spray for the reason na hindi nga siya cloying. And it's very fresh and it's very, hindi rin siya sobrang leaning towards female, although fruity and a little flowery siya. No? So, on the average, price point, pasok. Pasok na pasok. For a Middle Eastern, this is good quality, I would say. Would I wear it personally? Oo naman. Kaya binili ko siya to wear talaga. And nagamit ko talaga siya muna. So, it will be a very familiar scent, I would tell you. So, kamusta naman to in terms of availability? So, available naman siya online. So, go to KNR Scent Station. So, that's one. Ngayon, gagamit ko ba ito ng hapon? Oo, actually, the best to gamitin pag hapon. Hapon, tipong hanggang sa medyo madilim-dilim na, or umaga pa. This is good. Does it cut through the cold? Hindi masyado. Hindi siya yung pangmalakasan na gabi. This smells to me, if I'm gonna put it in layman's term, no? This smells to me like a fragrant soap bar na parang bagong ligo. Tapos, very, very citrusy yung amoy niya. Malakas yung citrus scent niya. So, na gustong-gusto ko actually. Tapos, meron siyang flowery accords na naglilinger hanggang base niya. So, ang kinagandahan nun, pag nag-base siya, hindi lang siya yung hindi mo na maamoy. Maamoy mo pa rin siya. It's soapy, if you ask me. So, ano difference naman ito pagdating sa perfumes ni Marley? I would not say 1:1 clone siya eh. I would say na siguro mga nasa 80. Kasi ano to eh, parang perfumes ni Marley Greenly with a twist. So, ang perfumes ni Marley kasi, going green ang direction niya. Ito is going fruity, floral ang direction naman niya. So, magkaiba sila ng direction. It's similar to BDC Iconic na comparison. It's not 1:1, but it works. For me, yung pagiging fruity floral niya works for me. So, I'm not saying na mas mabango siya sa Greenly. Magkaiba kasi sila ng direction. Pero, definitely, bang for your buck. Mga ilang spray, 3 lang, enough na to eh. Pero kung gusto mo mag-overspray, ang kinagandahan naman dito, this is not gonna be cloying, and this is mass appealing. So, this smells like your niche na fresh, but it's mass appealing. So, if you like the review so far, so baka meron kayong mga gusto rin i-review, just hit the like button. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we're gonna be putting out more. Ano nga bang next in store for us? We're gonna be doing more reviews of different perfumes, and for February, we're gonna be focusing on the local na mga local na perfumers. Sorry, nabulol ako. Hindi kasi ako nagka-cut, di ko rin i-edit to eh. So, mga local perfumers natin. So, we're gonna be featuring different perfumers na may sarili-sarili silang creation na nakakatch ng eye ko. And we're gonna be also having sniff session. So, natapos na kami ng sniff session on 28. We're gonna be having another sniff session in Rizal and in Cubao. So, watch out for the details. We're gonna be putting posters. Again, this is Mac. Please do not forget to like and subscribe in Fragrance Talk PH, and i-resume na rin natin yung mga live natin, no? So, thank you so much. Again, like and subscribe. Nulit-ulit kayo like and subscribe, no? Kasi it will definitely help motivate us para mag-produce ng more contents in the future. So, thank you so much and have a great day.